Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Pieces of Jessica. In this video, you are going to learn how to use an embossing folder to emboss your earring display cards using a manual die cut machine called a Sizzix Big Shot Plus. This is a great way to stand out from your competition if you are selling at craft fairs or even on Etsy. Before I start, my name is Jessica and I created this channel because I love to craft and wanted to share my knowledge and ideas to inspire you and let you know that you are capable of being creative. If this sounds interesting to you, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and let's get started on this creative journey together. Hi everyone, I am going to show you how you can take these earring backings, these plain backings, from this to this. Isn't that cute? What you're going to use is the Sizzix Big Shot. The backings I bought from Amazon, and they're plain. But what we're going to do to make them have these cute pumpkins is use an embossing folder, which is this. This is called an embossing folder. You can buy these at any craft store like Michael's, Joann's, Hobby Lobby. I bought this on Facebook Marketplace from somebody a couple years ago, and I thought it was so cute. So we are going to put this plain earring card in here. I'm going to find a pumpkin I'm going to put it on. I think I'll put it right there. And then I am going to use some washi tape so it does not come off. And this is just washi tape. It's kind of like painter's tape. And this is just going to keep it in place when I emboss it through this machine, which is the Sizzix Big Shot Plus. So now I have it secured with the washi tape. So now I am going to use my Sizzix Big Shot Plus, which is this machine, my platform. Okay, I have to sandwich it. The instructions are on here. It tells you exactly what you need to do. Okay, so we're gonna put this down first. That's the base. Then we are using an embossing folder. Okay, so this is what I have, this folder, and we're putting the paper in there for it to be embossed. So it gives us, tells us what to do. The platform, this paper, then the cutting pad, the folder, and then the cutting pad on top. Here's my cutting pad. I've used this so many times, but it still works great. See, all we're doing is sandwiching it through my machine. And I like to roll it back and forth. Okay. This is what it looks like. So now we take it out. We don't need the washi tape. Now you're ready to put your earrings on.